After removing roots from this drain, we went in to investigate and found the drain in this condition. This whole section here for about a meter into the drain is badly cracked and ready to collapse. Because the drain is about a meter underground, I would recommend a patch repair to restore structural integrity to the drain without having to dig it up. We achieve this by using an epoxy soaked fabric that we inflate into the line and let it cure in place. This way we use the ground around the cracked drain, which is already compacted, to support the hardened liner. The camera's looking at the packer. The camera goes into the drain at the end, and we just watched as we pushed it in. It's sitting now at 2 bar. The packer is in the drain. After 1.5 hours, we deflate the packer. Exposing the hardened liner, which has been solidly fused to the pipe wall, and leaving a nice smooth finish. Starting from inside the manhole channeling, going through into the compromised pipe, and then straight through to the original drain.